Thank God for all the wonderful blessings. God is good! God is good! Thank you very much. So, at this juncture, may I request our lovely debutant to stand up at the very center of this venue. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the traditional dance of 18 roses. The 18 roses, in tradition, significantly signifies the gentleman in the life of our birthday girl. She will be introduced into the society, not a baby, but as a woman, independent, and of course, lovely and fabulous tonight. Please welcome our first gentleman, the brother of our birthday celebrant, Kim Frederick Fellow. For everyone's information, our dearest brother traveled the miles just to be with her tonight. The presence of a brother, the love of a brother knows no bounds. Take this dance and take this moment. Thank you very much, dearest brother of the birthday celebrants. And now may we call on Justine Caroliman to dance with our dearest angel. Justine is a good friend and of course, one of an important gentleman in the life of our birthday girl. Thank you, Justine. Next off, Nick Joven Laurel. Justine, please stay at the back and you stand by. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nick. Let's have Darius Sueco. Jefferson Caparida. Christian Provido, our next gentleman. This is indeed a moment with our gentlemen. And here, may we have Philip John Bastida. Thank you very much, Philip. May we have JC Larod. Thank you very much. Let's have James Labita. John Harold Avila.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day when the heat of a roaming wind can be touched.
Truly tonight is magical. Let's savor the moment with another dance. Sam David Sagaino.
It's enough for this restless one just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this one.
We got this far because we have God's love. May we call on Romel Abarquez.
And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the
Francis Nicolo Gonzalez.
There's a time for everyone if they only learn.
And now let's meet Harry Badayos. Mike Nervio.
I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew.
Mesmerized in the moment of the dance. And let's have Peter Bangkiso.
We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was.
Yes, you can sing with the music.
Give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in
Thank you, Peter. Lastimoso.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess,
Thank you very much, Sean Azriel Lastimoso. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with all the fervor of love, with God's love in abundance, with all your support and with all your encouragement and motivation, this moment is finally come. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout the journey, the dearest Father has also a challenge of His good health, and also with our dearest lovely debutant. But God is good, and it has always been all the time. Today, we seal the milestone with God's love, and we welcome the dearest Father. But before that, may we have a surprise audio visual presentation.